we bought a ThredUp rescue box. It's the LuLaRoe version. It was $45. Sorry, $44 free shipping for 10 LuLaRoe items. And this box came in damaged. So we have everything is there.
Okay, so
yeah, you can just open it on this side because it came in squished. But you get 10 items and 10 LuLaRoe items for $44. That's receipt.
Oh, I see some pretty stuff. Yeah.
Let's just pull the whole thing out because that box is just a hot mess. Okay.
Okay. First thing I pull out is a t-shirt.
Is it a shirt or is it a dress? It's a shirt. Solid gray Heather t-shirt.
It is a XX
small. So it's an extra small.
This will probably fit you.
She's lost her mind.
Then we got a...
Well, that looks like a dress because that's long.
I have to stand up.
Okay.
Probably really high for this because I'm really short. Actually, I'm really tall.
Oh my goodness, that is adorable, that dress.
Mama.
It's super cute.
Mama, this one actually fit me.
What size is that?
It is a XX small.
Another XX small. That's really cute. That actually would fit you. Okay, in comes the wonderful Abigail. She's modeling today a LuLaRoe dress with gray stripes.
Hello.
Oh my gosh, I really kind of like that actually. I didn't think I would, but I do. Do a little spin for us, slow. That's not slow. That's way fast. Yeah, that's pretty slow. That is cute. Do you like that?
Feels comfy.
I love the hem on it. I really like that.
I love these because it gets my
Yeah, I like those too. Well, yeah, I kind of like that on you. I really did not think I would, but I do.
Next thing.
Hey, what was that?
Roses.
Disney.
This would
long
fit
sleeve
me. Long sleeve.
tee, and it's
Extra small. This would probably fit me. Yeah, as a
that is so cute.
dress.
Next, Abigail is going to model the Bambi. It's a shirt, baby. The Bambi Unthumper shirt. Okay, she says dress. Let's see. Oh,
I need some black pants underneath it.
that's cute. You need some tights, some LuLaRoe black tights. That actually looks like a nightgown on you. That is super cute. You want to keep that for a nightgown?
Yes. Because one thing I love Disney. Who loves Elsa? Come here. Let it show. Make it look cute on me.
That's a good top for you. That fits you well. It really does look like a cute little nightgown.
So, if you love Bambi, hit the like button. And if you love Frozen, hit this like button. And also, if you like stripes, hit the like button.
And if you like red roses, that's the reason you really like it.
Yeah. Then we got another one that's an extra large.
No, that one would fit me. Yeah. But we're looking to sell. We're not looking to keep. That's cute. That looks really comfy. That looks really comfortable.
I see something really colorful.
Yeah, a medium dress. That's cute. It's
Another one that will fit me.
It's got, I don't know, just a print. Not really.
It'll fit me.
It'll
fit me. It'll fit me.
I wish they had like pattern names, like Dear Bradley. You can go on the site and see the pattern names. LuLaRoe doesn't have that, but I can find it anyway.
Ooh, pretty hat. This is so
Oh
pretty.
no, I really like that. It's got the high-low hem. Turn it around, baby.
Extra small.
Extra small. That is really cute.
It'll fit me.
It's got that chambray look. It's kind of got like a layered look. It's real cute.
I think this will fit me. Okay, next thing. Next we have an extra small.
That looks like a nightgown. It's got the high-low hem, but to me that just looks like a nightgown.
It looks like an old lady.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the dress. It's got a zipper in the back. It's a size large.
This is a medium purple, like.
Is it a skirt?
It's a dress.
No, it's a skirt. Okay, it's purple. What size was it?
It's a medium.
Medium. We didn't get any tights. I guess they probably don't do their tights because that's the most popular that they sell. This is a small, sheer, high-low short sleeve, just cover up, I guess. To recap, I think we did okay. This was my first LuLaRoe box. I didn't even know they did LuLaRoe boxes. I went to order the fun box and saw this one and thought I would try it.